Let's clear and hide recommended and recent open history in Windows 11 Start menu. To start, right-click. In the pop-up window, select Personalize. Now, scroll down and select Start. Then you have to turn off these toggle switch, first one and third one. After, close this one. Then if you go to Start menu, you can't see your old history. As well as I will show you how to clear quick access history in File Explorer. First open this PC. Now right click on quick access. Now select show more options. Again select options. At the bottom you have to uncheck these two. It is better if you can clear. After, hit apply. Then your quick access history will be gone. That's it. Later.